नमस्कार दोस्तों, इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स आज 451 से शुरू करता हूँ। चलिए, पहला क्वेश्चन है, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द इम्प्रेस्ड फोर्स। ठीक है, ये इम्प्रेस्ड फोर्स क्या होता है, देन पढ़ेंगे। अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम ऑफ द बॉडी इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द फोर्स अप्लाइड ऑन द बॉडी एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ द चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम is the direction of applied force. F directly proportional to dp by dt, F equal to k into dp by dt, F equal to m dv by dt, F equal to ma. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द सैटेलाइट इन द ऑर्बिट क्लोज टू द अर्थ सरफेस डिपेंड ऑन द सी नंबर हो जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट of the radius of the orbit and the acceleration due to the gravity. The velocity of the satellite in the orbit close to the Earth's surface depend on the square root of the product of radius of the orbit and the acceleration due to gravity v equal to root under gm by re plus h. क्या हो जाएगा, g रूट अंडर आर स्क्वायर बाई re plus h. यहाँ चूंकि आर ग्रेटर देन एच होगा, देन हो जाएगा भी नोट इक्वल टू जी रूट अंडर जी आर का स्क्वायर बाई आर ई इक्वल टू क्या हो गया, रूट अंडर जी आर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टेंशन इन द केबल कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग टू द लिफ्ट इज मोर व्हेन द लिफ्ट इज मूविंग अपवर्ड विथ द एक्सेलरेशन. क्या है देखते हैं. The tension in the cable supporting a lift is more when the lift is moving upward with the acceleration. Lift move upward with accelerating motion. क्या हो जाएगा, when lift moves upward T2 minus mg equal to ma. Tension in the cable T2 equal to m into a plus g. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एंगुलर स्पीड ऑफ ए सेकेंड हैंड ऑफ ए क्लॉक इज पाई बाय 30 रेडियन पर सेकेंड. Second hand of the clock complete one turn in 1 minute, that is 1 revolution per minute. T equal to 60 सेकेंड, देन हो जाएगा ओमेगा इक्वल टू 2 पाई बाई टी. एंगुलर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द सेकेंड हैंड ओमेगा इक्वल टू 2 पाई बाई 60 इक्वल टू पाई बाई 30 रेडियन पर सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, quantitative calculation of dynamic about how velocity change when the force is applied for a given mass can be done by using Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object depends upon two variables, the net force acting on the object and the mass of the object. The acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the net force acting on the body and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. चूँकि F equal to ma. Next question. A body moves with a speed of 10 meter per second in the curved path of 25 meter radius of curvature. If the tangential acceleration is 3 meter per second square, then total acceleration for the body will be 5 meter per second square. दिया हुआ है स्पीड ऑफ बॉडी 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द कर्व पाथ r इक्वल टू 25 मीटर, टेंजेंशियल एक्सेलरेशन 80 इक्वल टू 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. टोटल एक्सेलरेशन इक्वल टू वाट, रेडियल एक्सेलरेशन इक्वल टू v स्क्वायर बाई r, देन 10 स्क्वायर बाई 25 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. ए टोटल इक्वल टू रूट अंडर 80 का स्क्वायर प्लस AR का स्क्वायर. इक्वल टू रूट अंडर 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, two car A and B moves at 54 kilometer per hour in the same direction, and car B is 300 meter ahead of car A. If the car A is accelerated at 6 meter per second square, while car B continue to move with the same velocity, the calculated time taken by car A over to overtake car B हो जाए 10 सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कह रहा है, when a body of mass m is rotating with an angular velocity at distance r from the center of the rotation, the radial acceleration experienced by the body is omega square r. Next question, when the cyclist move on the curved path, he tends to bend horizontal. When the cyclist move on a curved path, he tends to bend inward the center. That is, he tries to become horizontal because by doing that the cyclist is generating necessary centripetal force which is being centered towards the center that help the turning around the bend. Next question, the angular speed of a minute hand of watch is none of these. Total turn angle in one revolution by the minute hand theta equal to 60 equal to 2 pi radian. Time taken in one complete revolution by minute hand t equal to 1 hour equal 16 to 60 seconds. Angular speed omega equal to theta by pi 2 pi by 16 to 60 ये जगह omega equal to 2 pi radian per second by 360 3600. A wheel of diameter 10 centimeter describe 600 revolution per minute. The angular velocity of the wheel is 20 pi radian per second हो जाएगा। Next question, a ball dropped from the top of the tower takes 10 seconds to reach the ground. At what velocity it strikes the ground? Assume the value of g equal to 9.8 meter per second है। According to Newton's first law of motion, v equal to plus gt, यहाँ से हो जाएगा। Next question, a fan rotates at a constant speed of 60 rpm. The total angular displacement it make in the 10 second 20 pi radian. Next question, the speed of a particle moving in a circular path is 600 rpm. Then the angular velocity of the particles is 20 pi radian per second. Next question, a body of mass 5 kg accelerates at the constant rate of 2 meter per second square on a smooth horizontal surface due to an external force acting at 30 degree with horizontal. The magnitude of the force क्या हो जाएगा? देन हो जाए बी नंबर 10 by cos 30 Newton. Next question, a body is moving in a circular path with radius r. The relation between its linear velocity v and angular velocity omega, इसका हो जाएगा none of these. Next question, A particle moves along the circular path with constant speed. What is the nature of its acceleration? Its directional change. When a particle moves along the circular path with constant speed, then the magnitude of acceleration will be constant, but its direction change in every instant. Next question. The angle turned by a wheel while it's start from rest and acceleration at constant rate of 3 radian per second square and an interval for 20 सेकेंड ये हो जाएगा 600 रेडियन. A body is moving with a constant speed of 10 meter per second in a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Then its angular acceleration is 0 हो जाएगा. The dimension of angular velocity are given by m0 l0 t minus 1. Next question. The escape velocity on the earth is ये जगह 11.2 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आ गया वर्क पावर एंड एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एनर्जी में बी डिफाइंड एज कैपेसिटी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क. सी नंबर. A push or pull is defined as force. The product of force and velocity is called power. Energy may be defined as the capacity to do work. The product of mass and acceleration is called force. Next question. What is the type of energy possessed by a moving car? ये जो सी नंबर kinetic energy of translation and rotation. Any moving object must have kinetic energy because of its velocity. So a moving car possesses kinetic energy of translation and also rotation due to rotary motion of its wheel. Next है how much amount of work is required to lift a body of mass 20 kg through a height of 4 meters. Assume a small g equal to 9.81 meter per second. W equal to mgh. देन हो जाएगा 784 जूल. A man is pulling a bucket of water up to the roof of building of 6 meter height. The total weight of the rope is 20 newton and the weight of the bucket with water is 100 newton. The work done by the man is 660 न्यूटन मीटर. वर्क डन क्या है तो चेंज इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ बकेट प्लस चेंज इन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ रोप एम जी एच प्लस एम जी एच बाई 2. यहाँ से हो जाएगा 660. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ मच काइनेटिक एनर्जी डज ए 160 ग्राम क्रिकेट बॉल हैव व्हेन इट इज थ्रोन एट द स्पीड ऑफ 22 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इसका जो 38.72. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is an example of potential energy? Water in an overtake word. Energy possessed by virtue of position relative to the other by a body is called potential energy, like water in an overhead work. Which of the following is an example of kinetic energy? Following water. ठीक है. Following water is in constant motion so have certain velocity which generate kinetic energy. Next question. If a pump can raise 200 liter of water through a height of 300 meter in 1 minute, How much work can it do in 3 लाख 36 लाख kg per meter 36 लाख kg meter. A vehicle of mass 1200 kg is moving at a speed of 72 km per hour. The amount of energy to be absorbed by brake to the stop the vehicle 240 किलो जूल. एम इक्वल टू 1200 kg, V इक्वल टू 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर इक्वल टू जब 20 मीटर पर सेकंड. अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर हाफ mv². यहाँ से हो जाएगा आपका 240 किलो जूल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of the particles is constant. The statement is known as principle of conservation of mechanical energy. According to energy conservation law, energy neither be create nor destroys. It transforms one form of the energy to the another form of energy. That is total energy remains constant. E1 plus E2 plus dot 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 En equal to constant. According to the principle of the conservation of mechanical energy, the sum of the kinetic and potential energy of the particles is constant. Potential energy plus kinetic energy equal to constant. A body with 5 meter per second of velocity has a kinetic energy of 1.5 joule. What is the mass of the body? Is 0.12 kg. Next question. Power is defined as power का work done per unit time. Next question. To elevate the impact strength of material, a notched specimen was used in an isotope impact testing machine. The impact mass is 20 kg and the swing arm is 1 meter long. The mass is swing 120 degree from the lowest vertical point to the its release point and release to the impact the specimen. After the impacting the specimen, the mass swing 90 degree from the lowest vertical point towards the opposite direction. What is the energy absorbed by the specimen? ए नंबर 100 जूल हो जाएगा. Next question. 1/4 chain of mass m and length L is hanging down from the table. The work done to pull the hanging part of the chain on the table is mgl by 32. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द यूनिट ऑफ पावर इन एसआई यूनिट क्या हो जाएगा? तो वाट हो जाएगा. वर्क इज इक्वल टू द फोर्स इंटू डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. Work is the product of the component of the force in the direction of the displacement and the magnitude of this displacement. Mathematically, W equal to F cos theta, D equal to D cos theta, where F is the force and D equal to displacement. D is the displacement. डायमेंशन क्या हो जाएगा? ml² t-2 ऐसा यूनिट जूल हो जाएगा. If the velocity of a body is double, then its kinetic energy becomes 4 टाइम हो जाएगा. Next question. A crate moves X meter as a woman pull on it with 10 Newton force. Rank the situations from below according to the work done by her force. List to gradient. none of दिया है if the force is applied, if the force is applied on the crate, ठीक है, crate in three way and displaced by x meter. In figure 1, force applied parallel to the displacement x. In figure 2, force applied at an angle to the displacement x. Next question. The weight of an object inside the lift appears to be less when the lift falls down with the constant rise up with a specimen with a retardation, rise up with a retardation, ठीक है। क्या कह रहा है, द वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इनसाइड द लिफ्ट appear टू बी लेस व्हेन द लिफ्ट राइज अप द रिटार्डेशन। पहला कह रहा when lift moving upward with acceleration a on the weight of the object w equal to m into a plus g. When the lift moving downward with acceleration a, the weight of object m w equal to m into g minus a. If a light and the heavy body have equal kinetic energy, the translation then a number lighter body will have a smaller momentum, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जीरो इनिशियल कंडीशन, ठीक है। जीरो इनिशियल कंडीशन फॉर ए सिस्टम मीन्स हो गया सिस्टम इज एट रेस्ट एंड नो एनर्जी इज स्टोर इन द एनी इट्स कंपोनेंट। जीरो इनिशियल कंडीशन फॉर ए सिस्टम मीन्स सिस्टम इज एट रेस्ट एंड नो एनर्जी इज स्टोर इन एनी इट्स कंपोनेंट। 1 वाट क्या है, 1 वाट इक्वल टू हो जाता है 1 न्यूटन मीटर पर सेकेंड। वाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ पावर, पावर इज द रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क और वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम। In SI system of unit, the unit of power is watt, which is equal to the 1 Newton meter per second or 1 joule per second. Generally, a bigger unit of power called kilowatt, which is equal to the 1000 watt. Choose the principle which is not used in the solution making the problem related to the friction. Principle of conservation of energy. They are following principle related to the solution making the problem related to the friction. पहला क्या, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम। दूसरा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ वर्क एंड एनर्जी। तीसरा डी एलम्बर्ट प्रिंसिपल। इन एक्चुअल ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन एनर्जी लॉस ड्यूरिंग रिलेटिव मोशन नो एनर्जी इज कंजर्व। व्हाट इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ वर्क और एनर्जी, kg मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। वर्क क्या, वर्क इज डिफाइंड एज द फोर्स एक्टिंग upon an object to cause the displacement. It is expressed as the product of force and displacement in the direction of force. Next question. Which of the following is the unit of energy? All of these हो जाएगा जूल, न्यूटन मीटर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। एनर्जी क्या है, कैपेसिटी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क इन एनी बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एनर्जी। एनर्जी क्या, फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स न्यूटन मीटर। एनर्जी इज द क्वांटिटेटिव property that must be transferred to an object in order to perform work on or to heat the object. Energy is a conserved quantity. The law of conservation of the energy states that energy can be converted in many forms but not created or destroyed. Example हो गया energy in blowing hammer, pulling of an object, electric cell, kinetic energy, potential energy etc. Its unit are joule, Newton meter, electron volt. Next question. 1 horsepower is equal to 735 watt. 1 horsepower is a unit of measurement of the power. Mechanical horsepower, also known as empirical horsepower, is defined as approximately 745.7 watt, while metric horsepower is approximately 735.5 watt. Next question. Two bodies with a moment of inertia I1 and I2, I1 is greater than I2, have equal angular momentum if the kinetic energy of rotation are E1 and E2, then E1 is less than E2. Next question. The work done by a body in a moving down a smooth inclined plane in comparison to being dropped vertically downward from the same height will be equal हो जाएगा. Let the body drop vertically from a height h, then energy stored work done in the body is mgh. M is the mass of the body. Since no friction force is act on the body, hence total energy change into the work done. Now if boy is dropped on the inclined frictionless surface with same height, then the number of energy losses and total stored energy will be mgh. Hence work done will be same in both conduction. फाइनल क्वेश्चन आज का. which of the following have the same unit? C alone. सी में क्या है? वर्क एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ठीक है दोस्तों, थैंक यू.